Good morning and welcome to PV Legal's daily newsletter. Today, we are not discussing a judgment. We are discussing something more fundamental: the slow, silent death of the right to vote in the world's largest democracy, and the Supreme Court's role in letting it happen. Let me give you a number: 6 crore. That is how many Indian citizens have been deleted from electoral rolls since the Election Commission launched its special intensive revision. The SIR in 2025, 6 crore, that is more than the entire population of France. Bihar lost 65 lakh voters. Uttar Pradesh 2.9 crore. West Bengal 91 lakh. Tamil Nadu 97 lakh. Gujarat 74 lakh. India has not seen a net decline in registered voters of this scale since 1950. Not during wars, not during famines, not even during COVID. And here is the most damning fact of all. After the Bihar exercise, the Election Commission could not identify a single foreign national among those removed. Not one. The entire justification for this exercise, Bangladeshi infiltrators, produced zero results, and yet 6 crore Indians lost their vote. The SIR was not a neutral administrative exercise. It was built to exclude. For the first time, citizens were asked to prove their citizenship. Aadhaar was rejected. Voter ID cards were rejected. The burden was placed entirely on the voter. And who could not meet that burden? The poor, the migrant worker, the rural woman, the minority, the very citizens whose franchise the Constitution most deliberately protects. The Supreme Court was approached again and again, and again and again it stepped back. In West Bengal, 27 lakh voters were deleted. With elections 10 days away, the court was asked for one simple thing: allow these voters to cast their ballot while their appeals are decided. The court said no. Justice Bagchi stated, that may take a month, that may even take 60 days. We cannot allow some people because they were earlier mapped. Of 27 lakh deleted voters, only 2 were restored. The Indian Express called it a virtual acceptance of disenfranchisement. In 2023, the Supreme Court declared that even a slight compromise of the right to vote amounts to an attack on the basic structure of the Constitution. 2 years later, the same court watched 6 crore votes disappear. India's Constitution did not give us the vote as a favor. It gave us the vote as a right, the founding right of a free people. When an administrative exercise erases that right for 6 crore citizens, and the highest court chooses institutional caution over constitutional courage, we must ask, who is left to guard the guardian? The silenced voter cannot speak. The Supreme Court can. The question is whether it will. This is your host, signing off. Stay informed. Stay vigilant.